What if everything you thought about inner thigh fat was wrong? What if the real solution isn't about losing weight, but about repairing damaged muscle cells? At Vitalogy, we explore the science behind stubborn body changes. Today, we reveal why inner thigh fat is uniquely challenging and the proven protocol to transform it from the inside out. First, understand that not all fat is created equal. You have subcutaneous fat, the layer just beneath your skin, which is a healthy form of energy storage. Then, there's visceral fat, the dangerous kind that wraps around your organs and drives inflammation. But there's a third type, intramuscular fat. This is the marbled fat deep within your muscle fibers. And it's the most stubborn to remove because the very machinery designed to burn it is compromised. It's a completely different problem that requires a different solution. Here's the Vitalogy insight. Your thigh fat can only be burned locally by the surrounding muscle. But when your thigh muscles become insulin resistant and filled with this intramuscular fat, they can't access this fuel source. It's like having a full gas tank with a broken engine. No matter how much you diet or do generic cardio, the fuel stays locked away. The solution isn't just about weight loss. It's about targeted muscle repair and regenerating your cellular powerhouses, the mitochondria. We need to fix the engine first. So, how do we do it? This is the Vitalogy Protocol, a 7-step inner thigh transformation. First, focus on eccentric exercises. These are slow, controlled movements where you emphasize the lowering phase. Think about doing a squat, but taking 3 to 5 seconds to go down. This slow descent creates the strongest stimulus for muscle activation, waking up dormant muscle cells and even stem cells to start the repair process. You don't even need a gym for this. Simply walking downhill provides this same powerful, therapeutic effect on your leg muscles. Next, use strategic walking patterns. The timing of your walks is key. Walk right after meals to help your muscles soak up blood sugar, preventing it from being stored as fat. Then, also walk during your fasting periods. Tikrita vacuum effect, encouraging your muscles to pull fat directly from their internal stores for energy. With walking, consistency is far more valuable than intensity. A daily habit works wonders. Third, implement timed eating windows. This doesn't mean starving yourself, but rather structuring your meals. Aim for 1 or 2 meals a day and try to have your last meal earlier in the evening. This extended fasting period activates powerful survival genes in your body that accelerate muscle repair and supercharge fat utilization, especially from these stubborn problem areas. Fourth, support your mitochondria with a low-carb diet. Reduce your intake of sugars and refined carbohydrates. At the same time, increase your intake of key nutrients like magnesium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. These aren't just supplements. They are the raw materials your body needs to rebuild your cellular energy factories, giving your muscles the power they need to burn fat. Fifth, prioritize strategic recovery and sleep. This is non-negotiable. Most of your fat burning and muscle repair actually happens while you're sleeping, not while you're working out. Schedule dedicated recovery days with only light activity, like a gentle walk. Overtraining is your enemy here. It creates inflammation and stress, which halts the very muscle regeneration you're working so hard to achieve. Step 6 is cold exposure therapy. This might sound intense, but it's incredibly effective. Taking a cold plunge or even a cold bath up to your waist forces your body to generate heat to stay warm. To do this, it needs a fast, dense source of energy. It sacrifices normal energy production and starts burning that stubborn intramuscular fat as a high-octane fuel source to maintain your core temperature. Finally, step 7 is progressive intensity training. Once your muscles start getting stronger and you feel more energetic, it's time to level up. Incorporate short bursts of high-intensity intervals like sprints or fast cycling. These powerful movements send massive growth signals to your muscle cells, telling them to get bigger and more efficient. This exponentially expands your fat-burning capacity for the long term. If you're ready to transform your approach to fitness, join the Vitalogy community. Subscribe and hit that bell for more science-backed body transformation protocols from our fitness and movement series. Now, let's talk about how to measure success. Forget about the number on the scale. Weight loss is not your primary metric. Your true progress indicator is strength improvement. Can you squat a little deeper than last week? Can you hold positions for a few seconds longer? Can you walk further without getting tired? These are the real signals that your muscles are regenerating and your mitochondria are recovering. That's the foundation of a lasting transformation. Inner thigh transformation isn't just about cosmetic changes. It's about deep cellular regeneration. This is a journey that takes months, a process of rebuilding your body from the inside out. Sois patient and celebrate your progress. Share your strength milestones in the comments below. We'd love to see how you're doing. For more on this, explore our fitness and movement and anti-aging and rejuvenation playlists. This is Vitalogy, where we don't just change appearances. We rebuild foundations.